The cement truck driver didn't want to listen to us, and we told him to back up, and it was a little slippery up there, and we told him to back up and get on this hard packed sandstone, but he did not want to listen at all. So what he did is he tried to go forward, and then he got his truck stuck in a hole that has a water line in it. So now here's our water coming out of our broken water line. And if you've never seen a cement truck stuck before, you get to see one today, so stick around. Let me make my way up this hill, and we'll take a look at what we've got here, guys, and what happens when you're a cement truck driver that just does not want to listen. Now, the spot that was good to drive in, basically destroyed that now with a bunch of water. Really didn't want to go backwards, huh? Try that forward again.
I went backwards, and I went in the other hole. Out backwards, so I thought I could rock it forward. Went sideways.
Guys, thanks for sticking around and watching the video. We emptied them all out with mud and emptied 10 yards out of there so he could back up, but he just kept trying to go forward. Hope you enjoyed it.
Is there a valve for this water?
I told him when he was back here, go backwards. He went forward. I know. So we're going to turn the water off, and we're going to go to the store to get the stuff to fix it again.